Yeah, in a way. I think they're a work of art, and the history of them is kind of unique. If we was really know what they was really, the first ones were never meant to pump water. They was rural electrification company.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And do you know anything about the motor on top of that, or the generator, or was it designed just to pump water?
It was designed to pump water.
Some of them that look like that.
$100 for it.
You gave $100.
Yeah.
With the tower, or you just?
Well, it was. I had to take down 2 to get one. This tower is some other brand.
Okay.
And I took down another one that had this dipster on it, and it fit down in that. You know, it fit on there.
Yeah, it looked like it was made to be there.
Yeah. And I brought home. I put hinges on the bottom up there so you can lean it over. I never have done it since but that's the way I put it up.
Mm-hmm. With hinges, that's real smart.
Yeah, and I bolted on this end. I had a tractor tied up. I had it laying on a big bale out there, and pulled it up, you know, with a big tractor. And I was on the other end to hold it because, you know, when it got over the balance spot, so it wouldn't hit you. And then I had a guy that had a portable welder come out here and weld those things on the bottom, you know.
Oh, I bet that'd been a sight to see coming up for the first time.
Yeah.
Hard to see.
And I put that floor up there is round. A lot of them are square. This is a little bit unusual, I think, for having
A round one?
a round one.
Yeah.
But I hauled that thing back from Kensington, Kansas, took it apart. Did 3 sections. I took this bottom off and put the rest of it inside of it.
That releases the brake?
Yeah. I had it's got a brake on it. And, I took it off. It's got a, you know, like a brake shoe. And I took it off, took a Springfield brake, and they sent it up to Kansas City, and they put a new shoe on it. Off and poured oil in it, you know.
Yeah.
And, but I just can't.
That's the lube, to keep it lube when it turns.
Yeah.
It's got gears and all kinds of things.
Yeah.
So in other words, you don't have the brake on it right now.
Oh yeah, it don't.
Well, what did you say you need to get up there to do?
See, it turns a little bit.
I seen it turn then, and it's twisting, but that's definitely the way the wind's blowing right now.
Yeah.
That's.
If you get that tail pulled around there, it might turn just a little bit. It's got a spring on that brake, and I had a guy come out here and tighten it. It's got an adjustment on it. You can tighten it a little more.
Mm-hmm.
But that brake wears a little bit, I guess. Needs to be painted again.
Well, it sure is beautiful. How tall is it? Do you?
30 feet.
30 feet. That's what I was thinking. 30 feet tall. Well, I've noticed several, and you're like the second person I've actually caught in the yard where I could come and talk to.
All right.
And it's the other fella, he didn't know anything about it. He didn't know if it was froze up, wouldn't froze up. He's not too far down the road from you. But altogether, I think there's about 5. If you look around this area, you know,
Used
10.
to be one over here on County Line Road. Have you seen that?
Mm-hmm. Well, within 5 miles.
Oh yeah.
I'm saying within 5 miles,
Yeah,
that way.
It's well, the way the crow flies, it's probably not over a mile and a half, 2 miles.
Mm-hmm. I'll be looking for it to make sure I have seen it. Yours, I'll be honest, is one of the prettier ones.
Well, when I first got it up there, and it was all shiny and everything. It did look good. I've always been fascinated with windmills, and I wanted one, so I got that one. It was a job to get up. I had to work on it.
Well, yeah, anything that's worth doing is going to take work, because it's a piece of art, and a lot of people are just scrapping them. It's too much for them to keep up, and they don't keep them up. So if it did come unlocked, it'd sling the blades off, like you said. It'd shear itself in two with the wind.
Yeah, that shaft, you know, it's, I'm sure it probably had a seal around that shaft. I don't know if it's got all in it now. Put it all in at once, but I haven't let it, you know, I haven't let it turn very much.
No, ain't no need in it, really. It's beautiful. It's a piece of art. Well, thank you for showing it to me and telling me a little bit about it. What'd you say your name was?
Ron Lawson.
Ron Lawson.
Yeah.
And the name of this road right here is
219.
219. It's sandwiched in between 182 and
186 and 194.
Yeah, County Line Road. Yeah. You see a lot of bike riders?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, there's a good group of people ride out here. It's real safe, and
yeah, most of the time they ride down 186. Park up there at the church. A lot of them do, and they'll ride all the way through and cross 125 and go clear around up into Rogersville where the convenience store.
Yeah, I stop at Hardee's at the store, and I go back to Arkansas, and that's 15 there and 15 back. And then when the summer comes, I get a little more into it. I lap this big lap right here. I lap it 2-3 times. That puts me out to 90 miles.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I'm gonna break a couple of hundreds this year.
Huh. You live in Arkansas?
Ozark.
Ozark.
That's what I meant to say, Ozark.
Ozark. Yeah. Okay.
Well, it sure. I see you pruning your
ride
trees.
Competition then?
No, I did back in the 90s, but no, I'm just keeping in shape and doing it. You know, when you got a hurt back and knee, and biking is really good, and swimming. But yeah, I can't ride as fast as these young guys. They be going really fast.
Life is like a box of chocolates, but yet it's as though our reality got flipped upside down. But you know, praise be to God. He allowed me to be able to find this evidence, this proof, and provide it to the world to see. So please, share this video, make your own videos, and let's get the word out about the truth behind the Mandela effect.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
That's all, folks.